Well, hello everyone. Finally, I get to stream again. My microphones might sound a little louder than it should. I think I like it this way, actually. So what are we doing tonight? Well, let's check out our domains page here real quick. I've been doing a little work outside of streaming. I was kind of a little sick for a few days. I had a sinus infection, so I did work off camera. So for my collections, for my domain collections, I can create a new collection, or I can actually create groups to put my collections under. And I have two groups here. One for countries, which I want to finish at some point. For each domain, there's an assigned country code, for each country, there's an assigned domain, top level domain, I guess they'd call it. Oh, there's .com, org, net, international, edu, government, U.S. military, and then, interesting. There's all these different domains. So I could actually, I could basically create a bunch of categories based on the domain name alone. Tons of categories based on domain name. I need to set this up. Looks like there's a lot. A lot. And these are all alphabetic, original top level domains. Okay. Now, here's an interesting one. Where is it? Ascension Island. And then there's BritneySpears.ac. What is this? It's literally Britney Spears. And look, there's photos of Britney Spears. Let's go to Gallery 10. That's funny. This website looks like it was made in 1998. Britney. It's interesting what you find on the internet when you don't rely on, an international giant company to find content for you when you do it yourself. And I haven't even really looked. I mean, how many articles are there? 17,000. That's all I have is 17,000 articles. That's nothing. I want millions. How many domains do I have? 33,211, 210 domains. It's not that many. There are millions, maybe even billions of domains out there. Alright, so for the most part, the domain collections are done, but I do need to add little X buttons for each one of these groups, so you can delete a group, or maybe like I don't know, when you hover over these collections, you should be able to click an X button to delete them. You don't want, they should not exist anymore. You click X, it goes away. But I don't really want to program that right now. What do I want to do? Sorry, my contact lenses are messing with me. I don't really know what to do, honestly. Besides just start downloading websites that just keep downloading home pages, I guess. Just gonna find links from my 29 feeds. I should have an option that allows me to skip downloading from feeds. But these feeds, I only have to download from them once a day at most, or once every 12 hours. And if I have thousands of feeds, it could take a long time to check them all. So, right now I only have 29 feeds. Most of them are under science, but I need to find more feeds to download from. There we go. Now we're downloading the home pages to various websites, and it'll just do this forever. Literally, I could probably collect millions and millions and millions of domains if I just download home pages only. I mean, let's click on domains. Look at that. I'd already found another 100 another 5 domains. Yeah, that makes sense because I have 5 downloads, 6 downloads. Let's see what it says now. 33,215, 33,225. So I am generating tons and tons of domains. I'm downloading Japanese websites. I need to be careful, what domains I actually download from. Mike Little. Okay. Yeah, you just find all sorts of things. Now, something I haven't considered yet is accidentally downloading porn. I don't want to do any of that. So, in fact, I should probably find a list of, X-rated websites and add that to my blacklist. Ooh. Wow. That's crazy. 1,258 new links. There's a lot of websites that aren't downloading. Kinja. What is Kinja? What is Kinja? I'm confused. The AV Club. Okay. Cool, cool. All right. Wow, there are a lot of domains that need to be blacklisted. And I think I'm gonna have to, because there's so many domains that need to be blacklisted for, protective purposes, so I don't accidentally start downloading from scam websites, advertisers, porn, malware, dark web, like the really bad stuff. Illegal websites and stuff like that. I need to move my blacklist into the database and store all of my blacklist domains. I mean, not store, but query the blacklist directly from the database, because right now, if we look at let's see, where are we? The download hub. And we check our queue here. Then what happens is we find all the links, right? And then we check our blacklist domains array to see if this domain exists in that array. Now this is like really poor engineering, because now I have to keep every single blacklist domain in an array, in memory, in C#, and this link code, I don't think it's going to be that optimized, because I don't know if link actually sorts the list to be searchable. It's probably gonna loop through every single element in the array until it finds the first domain here that matches my blacklisted domain, and Well, that if it's the last domain in the list, it's going to go through every single item in the list. And if that domain doesn't even exist in the black list, but we got millions of domains in the blacklist array, then it's gonna have to read every single entry in that array. But if we just move this code to a stored procedure that checks the database for a blacklist every single time, then that alleviates C#, the memory used in C#, and it also alleviates the query itself, because SQL will index domains alphabetically, and it will find when it's searching for a blacklist domain, it'll jump to exactly where that domain would exist in the table and check to see if it exists, and if it doesn't, then the query's over. It checked a few records, couldn't find the domain it was looking for, and then quit. Because that's how alphabetical sorting works. You have an algorithm that helps you minimize the amount of rows that you're searching to just a few. Instead of searching every single record, you're just hopping around just a few records. Anyway, so I'm going to do that right now then. And then I'm going to install this huge list of porn sites that I should blacklist. So under SQL, in our stored procedures for blacklist, we're going to check. So let's just add a new stored procedure here. In fact, I'm going to stop downloading. Sorry. Add domain, blacklist, domain, check. Alright, and then select count from, hold on, blacklist domains, where domain equals domain. Okay. Let's do this. Select top one. I think select count is actually faster. And you can only have one domain. Select count. You know, I'm just gonna make it an int. Domain check. All right, let's execute that. Good. And we should probably do the same for whitelist. whitelist, 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 and whitelist. Alright, looks good. Now we have both of our store procedures in the database. Let's go to our data access layer for whitelist and blacklist. So let's just copy this. Execute scalar int, and we'll return greater than 0. Alright, the same for whitelists. And there we go. And now in our download hub here, in fact, let's just find all references. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna change this to our query here. If query.domains dot blacklist dot domains dot check domain, then continue. All right, let's save that, and we'll do that here too. And we'll do it here too. And we'll do it. Uh-oh. What is this? Oh, I see what's going on here. Domain. And it's okay, so if it's not and whitelist too. If it doesn't exist, then we'll have a add button for whitelist and blacklist. Okay, and then we're not even gonna. Yeah, it adds it to the database, so we're not gonna. In fact, yeah, we're gonna delete this blacklist model. Because all it is a public static list, so I'm gonna delete blacklist and whitelist. Goodbye, guys. We don't need you anymore. You're useless. We're just gonna use stored procedures. Let's see here. Same with whitelist. We don't need that. Where is it? Show me. Uh-oh. That would have given me an error, right? Yeah, I think I already deleted that. Let's check for errors. Q dot go. Download only. Is that for blacklists? No, that's for whitelists. And this is also for whitelist. So regression testing, but I'm not going to do it because I don't care. Okay. Are there any errors? No more errors. Looks good. Okay, so now, let me just press play here. Please tell me, give me my query. There we go. So, we're gonna have to take our list here. It's a huge list. And comma separate everything. And generate a stored, a query, right? So we're going to split a string into an array and then add them all. So let's see here. Let's look at our tables for blacklists. All it is a domain name. So all I have to do is insert. So okay, so let's see, domains equals papow, and then declare table as a table with domain and varchar, what, 64? All right, and then I forgot how to use this. Let's just go to our downloads here and go to download. Wait a minute, where's it? Store procedures, downloads, download queue bulk add. All right, there's our URLs. There it is. Huh. Oh, I could just insert into blacklist domains. Boom. That's easy. All right. And now for the list, I have to replace my line break with a comma. So let's open up Notepad here. You can't see what I'm doing, but yeah. slash n. No, let's do slash r. Replace it with nothing. Okay, and then let's do, ooh, it's frozen. How many lines? 228,272 lines. Sorry, 228,300 lines. All right, that didn't do anything, so let's change slash n to a comma. Oh boy. Give it a second here. It's still doing its thing. And then after that, I gotta copy it into my query window. And also, I should probably look at my indexes for blacklist domains. I don't think I have anything. Let's just double check our table schema. Nope, nothing there and nothing here. Alright, so let's create some indexes while we wait for this to finish. Oh, I gotta press stop. And then rename. Index. Blacklist domain. And you know what? I'm so stupid. I don't need this. Why would I need this? Look at the table. Hold on. There, finished finally. That's a big one. Alright, let's look at the table really quick. Look. It's the primary key, so of course it's going to sort it by alphabetical order. So let's just paste this crazy thing into here. Why are there no, what? That's weird. These last ones need commas. Oops. Why didn't it do it for these? That's really weird. And we'll put a comma there at the very last. How many lines? I mean, how many characters? Three million 3,700,160 characters for that one line. Let's see. No, it's insert into blacklist domains from blah blah blah. Okay. Here we go. What? Hold on. Let's just see what happens if we cut everything. Is there something like an unknown character or something? Let's see if we have to replace anything. Huh. Oh, that's what I have to do, is that, okay. Values. Huh. Wait a minute. Are you kidding me? There we go. Alright, so if I paste all this nonsense, boom. millions of characters. Will it work? Column name or number of supplied values. Okay. Select what value as domain. 518 rows? What? Only 518. Hold on. Oh, it can only do so much? Where's it? Hold on. String split. Let's try that. Invalid object name. String split. Let me think. I could just make a regular array. TSQL insert multiple rows from array. Okay, so then I will make a comma. Use, let's see. Single quote, close paren, comma, open paren, single quote. Wonder how long it'll take to do that. Alright. Ooh. Oh yeah, there's a lot of text here. Let's copy everything. We don't need any of this. Values. Boom. So the first thing I should probably do is let me see here. Let's undo. I'm undoing my replacements, and I'm going to replace a different pattern so that I can delete any records in the database that are already existing. There we go. Replace all. Yeah, let's just break my computer. Is anyone watching? I wonder. Well, somebody was watching for a second there. For a minute. For a good minute. Uh-oh. Where did Notepad go? Not responding. I broke it. I mean, I haven't broke it yet, but come on. Give it a second. It might take some time for it to actually load. I broke it. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Oh, dude, it's still frozen. Fine, I'll just close it. I'll just kill the process. Oh, it's not responding. It's using a bunch of CPU. Yeah, kill it. Let's reopen it. Oh, it worked. So delete from blacklist domains where domain in boop. Let's see if this works. It's probably gonna delete like 500 some odd records. Oh man, this is probably hurting my database right now. It's only like 280,000 rows that it's checking. Can't take that long. It's already taken 30 seconds. Look at that, 33. Executing. Still executing. I mean, I guess it has to check. Every record against the 280,000 items. You know what? No, we are not doing this. This is what we're gonna do. Insert into table values. Oop. Oh, actually we do that here. And then delete from blacklist domains where domain in select star from table. And then drop table. I think this will work much better. The number of row value expressions in the insert statement exceeded the maximum allowed number of 1,000 row values. A 1,000? Let's change the max for this. Oh, I get it. Okay. This is going to take a little bit of time. I'll show you what I'm doing. So let's find our commas here. Replace our commas with a /n. And in fact, a /n and insert into domains. Values. Bam. And oh, and it's not domains, it's blacklist domains. And it should also be a try. Let's see if we can do it here. Begin, try, insert into. Let's just delete all of this nonsense. And try, begin. Yeah, it is begin try. And try begin catch and catch. Right? Oop. Alright, so let's do that. And then let's do that. All right. Oh, that looks good. Let's start at the beginning of the document here. And this is gonna break my computer. Oh, not responding. So all I'm trying to do is insert 280 some odd thousand records into my blacklist domain table. Hopefully it doesn't slow down my computer to, you know. Oh, you know what? And I need to work on my code too for Download Hub. Because this right here should be per domain. So in fact, if it doesn't contain a domain yet, then we're going to check. Oh, that's bad too. How about we just add all these links, and then for each domain, we just do a blacklist check per domain. That's a better way of doing it. And we can do that everywhere. So instead of that's where we want to do it there. This is not where we want to do it here. We want to do it here. For each domain in urls.keys. So we're just going to skip the domain altogether. And we won't insert any of the URLs for that domain. Alright, let's check this one too. This is the wrong place to have it. This should be under here. And the last one. Oh no. This is already a thing. So if it's blacklisted, guess what? It's not gonna show up. There. Let's double check all of this. Yep, for each domain. Ooh, where is this? Download hub. Yeah, I think I moved it down to there. Yeah, that's where that belongs. We're just double checking, and there's the blacklist there. And the last one we don't need anymore. Looks good. Let's check out all this. Oh, look at that. So now we have a legitimate list of queries for each individual domain. There it is. And we have try catches on all of them. So even if the domain exists, it doesn't matter. We're just going to execute every one of these queries. How many lines do we have here? Well, lots. 228,300. Let's execute. Pow. How many rows? Too many rows. It's probably going to take a few minutes to execute. Oh my god. I should have probably put no count on. $20,000. Let's press stop here. We're just gonna stop. And we're gonna set no count on. And we're just gonna execute. Let's see here. I'm pretty sure we can keep executing our store procedure our query while starting the application. It's still executing. And while that's going on, I'm going to create another query window here, and I'm going to do select star from domains, a domain in select star from blacklist domains. No way. Hmm. 4chan is banned. Banned. Well, it doesn't look like any porn sites are showing up yet, except maybe. No, that's like an ad website. So I guess these domains need to be deleted. Still executing my query of a bazillion websites to blacklist. Blacklist all of these. Nudist camp, online sex, passed out, porn go-go, real sex vids. It's just like just a bunch of bad websites. And after that, I'm gonna find a whole lot of other domains to blacklist. The scary part is like for each web page that I download, okay, every web page that I download from this download page here, every single download, whatever links it finds on that download, on that page, if those links are from different domains, then for each download, it's going to have to query the blacklist domains table X amount of times, one time for each domain found in the list of links for a single download. And I want to download one URL like per second. So I'm going to have to hit the I'm going to have to check the blacklist domains table maybe like 20 times per download, potentially. It'll probably be more like 5 times per download. But I think what I should do is have like a generic list of blacklist domains that I keep in C# that has all the main, most important blacklisted domains like twitter.com, facebook.com, all of those. And it'll check that first before it queries the database. That'll save me a lot of time, I think. Is it done yet? It's still executing. It's been over 5 minutes now. Let's see how many rows we have. $148,000. We're getting there. 150,000. 151,000. 153,000. 154,000. You see how this is going? It's going to take a while. Not that much longer, though. It's a lot of domains to blacklist. 172,000. $185,000. So, what else can I do? Well, you know what? Let's just start downloading. Let's see how long it takes. Alright. You know what would be awesome is if I tracked how many new domains it found. Let's do that. So on our download hub, we're going to return more data. Right, so here's checked. Where's our downloads SQL? I mean, JavaScript. Let's find it. Dashboard. No, we want downloads. There we go. All right. Checked. Skipped. Downloaded. Article. Link. Words. Important. Domains. But does it tell us about new domains? Let's find out. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get rid of this because this code here executes a database call, and I'm not gonna have any of that bullshit. So let's see here. Yeah, we're just gonna get rid of all this. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. There we go. Is it done? It did. It finished in 8 minutes, 33 seconds. Let's see how many records we have. 228,318. Awesome. Okay, now we got a lot of blacklisted domains. And we are going to... We're gonna just search for that in our CS files. All right. Okay, for each domain. Ooh, there's another one that we don't want to hit. Okay. I don't trust the hot reload in Visual Studio. Not yet, at least. At least for like Signal R stuff. Yeah, can't trust it. Let's see how fast it downloads URLs. Zero links. Okay, there's 7 links. It's not downloading. Like, I don't trust any of this shit. Come on. Alright, let's just look for a second, okay? Okay, where's our links? Okay, for each link, blah, 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 blah. So it's going to, where's our link count? Here it is. So our count, and if count is greater than 0, then added links plus equals blah, blah, blah. And then we use added links somewhere. There we go. So, okay, so checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th argument. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th arguments? No. Oh, wait, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, links. s.downloads.update stat links equals links or 0. So update stat, and then we parse our value, and then we increment. Looks valid. Let's just see what's going on. Come on. It's downloading the file. Okay. There we go. Alright, so what's our count? 8? And what is that? Okay, I can see how some of these wouldn't be added. But yeah, 8. Alright. 8. There. It says 8 right there. Okay. So I trust it. It's trusted. Okay. I wish I could get a number of like new domains. Looks like it's pretty fast. Let's see how long it takes to check the blacklist. Okay, ready? So what's our domain? Med page today. So ready? Boom. Instant. That was instant. Took no time at all. Why? Because the database has sorting algorithms, and algorithms to search tables based on how the table is sorted, based on sorted indexes in the table. In the database. Boom. It's amazing. It's so fast. 60 new links. 66 new links. 71 new links. So it's definitely getting links. I wonder if these downloads that are failing are actually being like what's the word? Like if they're being pushed into the download table, or if they're just being recycled. If they're being recycled, that's kind of bad, because there runs the risk that collector will try to download those URLs again over and over and over again, and it'll just fail over and over and over again, and it'll just waste its time trying to download the same thing. So let's do a little check here. So let's just select count star from download queue where status equals 1. $7,944. Alright, now let's check our query to see if it skips records that have a status of 1. There it is, where status equals 0. Then what does it do? It updates status equals 1. So it'll never check that URL ever again unless I force status back to 0. I think that's good for now, because in the future I can just set all the statuses back to 0, and like either archive the download if it fails again, or do something. Let's see how many downloads we have. Ooh. 667,000 downloads in the queue. That's no big deal. I expect that to grow to trillions upon trillions. And I think the download queue table is using long for the record. It's using big int. So I could literally have like billions and billions and billions of records. Alright, so I'm doing newest first, which is probably a bad idea. So let's do home pages only for now. Because I want to download as many home pages as I possibly can. um, like I wanna map the internet first before I start curating all these domains. And then I can like categorize all the domains, get title and description from all of these domains, and then what else? Well, it'll build my download queue, that's for sure. My database is going to be hundreds of gigabytes in size. The one thing I don't have right now is a flag that determines, whether or not the domain is giving me a valid response, or if the domain is dead. Like, if there's actual content on the domain and it's not just a parked domain, then I want a flag that says it's a real domain, that there is content on this domain. Carta.com, cover.com, look at all these domains. Earth.net, teampay.co, threads.com. I am literally scraping the entire internet right now. $41 domains that I validated. See how it takes so long? Yep, see it skipped because it couldn't find anything. 47, 48. What's that? So you can just click on something and be like, wow, this is cool. What is this? NFTs. Ah. Why? That's so stupid. I hate NFTs. They're the bane of existence. The bane of cryptocurrency bullshit. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Show my NFT. Ooh, look at these NFTs. Very cool. Fire. But look how stupid they are. Like, who cares if you own that garbage? Okay. Oh, look, you have a video. Wow. Who cares? Like, nobody's gonna look at these. Nobody cares. No. Public chains. So see, this is one good part of just looking through the internet, right? Combing the internet. You find all this stuff. There's stuff everywhere, all over the place that you'll never find on Google. I don't even know how people find these websites. Like, how the hell do they find these? What, email lists? Are they subscribed to? Are they part of communities? Are they cool kids? They know about these secret underground communities that just post shit all the time? It's just downloading now. Just downloading domains all day. Let's see what domains we found so far. So let's do last updated and unprocessed. Like, what does this even mean? Oh, it's a cool, wow, cool website, cool design. I don't know what any of this is, except maybe Lynch, Polygon. Ooh, wow. It's okay, whatever. Featured on, sure it is. Ooh. What is this? Paramutual. Okay, whatever. It's a wallet. Wow, I'm literally being bombarded by cryptocurrency domains. Oh my god. Pre-seed, pre-seed, pre-seed. Yeah, anything that says pre-seed is a scam. Oh, it's all like it's all riddled with Bitcoin websites. No. Oh well. Autonomy. Okay, I'm not going there. Eden block. We back the builders of the new open internet. Do you? Investing in the extraordinary. Okay. What did you invest in? Let's find out. I bet you anything they invested in financial companies. Blockchain-enabled disruptors building the open internet. I have no idea what they're talking about. Like, it's literal bullshit. The internet is open unless you live in China. Like, the open internet is bullshit. What you're saying is all bullshit. Digital communities? Yeah. Guess what? You could go to 4chan if you want. That's a digital community. Web3? What's Web3? Are you talking about VR? Like VR chat? Institutional adoption. Are you talking about getting banks to use Bitcoin? Like future finance. See, this is the kind of bullshit that these bullshit companies invest in, is financial software, like blockchain bullshit. Like, it's all bullshit. The only thing that's real is Bitcoin. That's it. Just throw all that other shit away. Goodbye, Ethereum. Bitcoin is real, and there's no reason why you should be scamming people with all this nonsensical technology that nobody needs. Chain space. A sharded smart contract platform allowing truly scalable blockchain applications. Show me one application that uses blockchain that does anything outside of the financial sector. Let me guess. You're gonna say something about agriculture, right? Oh, agriculture blockchain. Rah. It's real. NFTs. Art on the blockchain. All it's doing now is downloading like blockchain related websites. Like, what did I get myself into? Zkid app. Privacy preserving passport to the Web3 world. So you can prove who you are while preserving your privacy? That sounds a little shady. So let me ask you this. What's going to stop the federal government from forcing you to give private information about your customers? What's going to stop that? Nothing. Star Atlas. Experience Star Atlas. Oh, it's a game. Okay, cool. What is this? Click to enter. Oh, nice website. Oh, nice intro. I like it. See, this is cool. Your intergalactic future awaits. Holy jeez. Let's start from the beginning. I didn't realize it was this cool. So every time I scroll, I hate when they scroll. Oh, that's cool. The depths of the universe. It's a metaverse, and experience the future. Space technology from tomorrow. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. I can scroll up and down with my middle mouse button, and it does that. Fly your state-of-the-art spaceship equipped with 27th century technology to wherever your heart desires. Why have I never heard of this game? Oh, that's cool looking. What faction will you join? Alien or human? Live and prosper among the stars. Yes. A universe of opportunities. Ooh, look at that animation. Explore and conquer. This is probably all like 3D.js and CSS and JavaScript. Explore. What? I want to play. Wow. How do you... Is that in game? Hold on. What is this? Is this a real game? Play now. Okay, I'm clicking play now. What? Is this Avatar? What is this? Connect wallet. Why do I have to Why do I have to connect my wallet? Um, so I can just buy a ship. Okay. I have to connect a wallet and purchase an imaginary piece of data in a video game. I don't. Where's the video game? Is this all fake bullshit? Is this just like some kind of RPG in a web browser? What about access? What is this access? Where do I play the game? Where do you play? Whatever. Anyway, that's another example of how you find stuff on the internet. I could literally click on a billion different links and find incredible websites. Oh, very nice. Scroll.io. It's probably oh my god. It's an Ethereum layer. A layer 2 solution. What? You know what? That stuff is so complicated that nobody fucking cares. Nobody cares about your Ethereum. Bitcoin is straightforward, right? You have two layers. You have the core layer and the lightning layer. And it makes sense. It's understandable. One is for really large transactions, which you'll only do every once in a while, and the other one is for very small transactions that you'll do all the time. So why would anyone want to invest in Ethereum when it's too complicated? Oh, but you can build applications on the Ethereum blockchain. Who cares? X margin. I already clicked on that one. I'm gonna find websites that has the term Web 3.0 and just flag them as cryptocurrency. Oh, I know Upstart. You know why? Because every week I get a piece of mail, physical mail, in the mail from Upstart, telling me that I can pay off my debt. Which, guess what? I don't have any. I did for a little while, in between jobs, but now don't need it. Anyway, so yeah, it's a pretty cool thing. What? Okay. Oh. Very nice. Very, very nice. So okay, I, I this is like a clone of a different website that I've seen before, but that's cool. I guess girls like this kind of stuff. Look, Plant Lady. Why? Because girls are the kind of people who would use this stuff. But I guess yeah, if I had something that I wanted to design and I didn't really know much about Photoshop, I would probably look for a site like this. I mean, you can make some pretty quick stuff with, you know, we've moved. Mark and Billy Chili. Anyway, cool. So you find websites and you can categorize them all. Millions and millions and millions of websites. HelloWorld.social. Discover your network with really bad font. Look at this. Login with unstoppable domains or login with MetaMask. Never heard of either of those. Let's log in. Oh, a domain name. Okay. MetaMask. Wow, I don't even know what that is. There are so many freaking websites out there. How are you supposed to find anything on the web? Oh, look, it's a Web 3. The future of Web 3. Yep. Better dApps. What's a dApp? Where have I been? I feel like I've just not looked at the internet for a decade. The future is smart messaging. Turn plain text into composable media that you can interact and engage with. Yeah, good luck finding people who would want to use this. Oh, backed by the world's best. I'm sure it is. I've never heard of this. Does that say hiring? I mean, it's a really pretty website. I like the website. But I don't know what it does, so whatever. Credit app. Get your crypto credit score. Are you kidding me? There's a crypto credit score? Bullshit. I call bullshit. NFT inspect. Connect with your NFT community, analyze community growth, see where influential people are moving, and more. Oh, look, we can learn about different communities. Bored Ape Yacht Club. That just shows you how self-serving, righteous, like scam artists, the kind of people who are into this kind of bullshit. They're bored millionaires who are they're just trading money. They're just swapping wealth using invisible art. Let me tell you right now, the most corrupt system on this entire planet, out of all of the different e-commerce platforms out there, the most corrupted is fine art. Okay? Fine art is super corrupted because all these super rich people hide their money by buying art for millions and millions of dollars. Look into it. It's super corrupted. So NFTs are just letting it get out of control at this point. The Wombat Exchange. Oh, it's groundbreaking, and it's a multi-chain stable swap. Wow. Move money from here to there. Web3 social network of verifiable identities. Aggregating on-chain and off-chain data. Link 3 profiles serve as holistic identities for both individuals and organizations. Trusted by, all these brands I've never heard of. I've heard of OpenDAO, but whatever. None of this matters. It's all dust in the wind. All of this. Web3. Is Web3... CyberConnect is a decentralized social graph protocol that helps dApps bootstrap network effects and build personalized social experiences. What in the are they even talking about? You want personalized social experiences? Go outside. Alright, what is this? Unipass.id. Every website that I go to is just... it's hurting my feelings. Anyway, so these are, it's just an example of the most recent domains that have been uploaded. Oh, 228. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's not private? Let's go anyway. Oh, he's from China. What is this? Oh, from Hong Kong? Okay, I'm downloading Hong Kong websites now. Yanran.ly. Okay, it's not gonna let me go there. Associate Professor? Okay. Co-founder and Senior Director of Frontier Research. Interesting. Cool. These guys they're just... Oh, interesting. It's more people. I don't want to click on that. These all look like just people. Look at this. This was probably made in 1996, this website. Let's see here. And I somehow fancy that I'd like to change with Clancy. Like to take a turn at droving where this... Okay, you know what? I don't know why he has that, but whatever. Well, it does say 2018 right there. Here's 2019. 2019. Let's look at the news. On a walkabout in Western Australia for a month. Cool. Wow. There's so many websites we can look at. Oh, is this a Dutch website? Can't read that. Middlio? Medical imaging with deep learning. Very cool. Nashville, huh? Whatever. Maximilian Moses. Okay, fix your SSL certs. These are all like scientists. Peterson.ai. It's another scientist person. Yeah, see, all they do is science papers. TW? I wonder what country that is. That's in China. HAL 9000 .space. What are we gonna find? What are we gonna find? What are we gonna find here? Oh, I've been streaming for 2 hours. It's almost 1 a.m. I gotta actually go to sleep soon, so. But this is fun. Like, I'm finding a bunch of strange websites. Ooh, .dev. Let's look at star.dev. Hotwired.dev. HTML over the... Sending HTML instead of JSON over the wire. That's what I do. Yep, fast first load pages, yep. Template rendering on the server, right? Simpler, more productive development experience in any programming language. Correct. Without sacrificing any of the speed or responsiveness associated with traditional single-page applications. I agree. It's cool that somebody would make a website that talks about the benefits of generating your HTML on the server and then just sending it to the client. Dude, really? Okay. The internet was interrupted for like 10 seconds for whatever reason. I am downloading, home pages from websites, so maybe they don't like that I'm downloading all these websites. What's going on? MissAfrica.com? Wow. 5 new downloads. Okay, I see what's going on. Oh yeah, I wanted to look at Dappy Dev. Hey, let's look at it anyway. What? Reload? It uses HSTS. Okay, whatever. FaceSwap.dev. Free and open source multi-platform deepfake software. Very cool. Yeah, see, this kind of stuff I want to find. I want to find all this stuff. .dev is a really cool domain, so maybe I should add that to a software development collection. Let's just do all domains based on last updated. And let's just do .dev. Domains. Nice. Cloudandweb.dev. What is this? Ooh. Oh, it's a blog. But it's for Node.js. What? Alright, React is alright, but Node? No thank you. Node is garbage. I'll use Node for like tooling, right? So for example, I use Gulp for handling, compiling JavaScript and less files and CSS files and moving files around and combining files together. Oh, sorry. I had to burp. But like, I will never use Node to develop a web app. Hell no. Are you kidding me? .NET Core or .NET 6, or I think it's .NET Framework now, or .NET Standard. I don't know what the hell they call it anymore, but basically, the latest version of .NET is basically the fastest, most powerful web server technology on the planet right now. I'm sure there are like Apache servers configurations that are faster than like C#, .NET 6, Kestrel, but that's like super optimized stuff, like made by Facebook. So, but I'm pretty sure .NET Core, .NET 6.0 and Kestrel is the fastest web server on the planet. So don't use Node, kids. Cloud native CI/CD. Oh, that's cool. I like CI/CD. Oh, it's a place where you can make CI/CD easier for everyone. I can install it. Alright, what does it do? Cloud native solution for building pipelines. Tecton pipelines. Okay. Bye. Fusion Language Portal. So, I think I want to build a system soon that's built specifically for like the homepage of websites. So then when I'm downloading homepages only, it'll read the words for that page and try to categorize the domain based on the words that it finds right there on the homepage. Yeah. Let's see what happens if we search for Web3. Only a few, huh? Metaphora is a Web3 social network. Of course, NFT Daily News. People are stupid. You could literally say that about any altcoin, whatever. D64 Ventures. It's a Web3 D64 Ventures. So, okay. Look, this is all they have. Like, you can email them. You can view their webpage, which, what is this? It looks like Tetris, but, and then they have a connect, like a message form. Oh, okay, whatever. Vixen Ventures, another way to scam people out of their money. Disruptive Web 3.0 innovation. Create a pixel-perfect Web 3.0 blog, store, or app. Decentralized websites? Okay, now I see what's going on here. Web 3.0 is all decentralized. So I can create a new... How does it even know who I am? Coming soon. No, it won't. It's never gonna come. Yeah, I gotta go, guys. Anyway, it was fun talking. And next time I'll be working on more features, I guess, for domain-specific stuff. Peace out.